Hey everyone, it's Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here today to share my project for the YouTube Hop group on Facebook, which is run by my dear friend, Miss Nicola Mason. Hi, Nicola. And this month we are doing a Shabby Chic clutch, and so it could be whatever we wanted as far as I know. I just got a D-stash off a lady, and it had this beautiful, I wonder if you can see some of it. Not really. I covered most of it up, but it was a napkin. And so I just folded it in half, and it was the perfect size. And everything on here pretty much is from my stash and the bits I got in the D-stash. So all I did was I folded the bottom up and the top down, as you do, and I covered it with some beautiful laces and trims, and I did it in pinks and whites. And I used this beautiful image of these roses here, which I just love. And I put that over on one side. And then I just layered up a lot of bridal appliques. These ones are in pink, and they have these really gorgeous large pearls on them. I just love these appliques. And then this is another applique that was quite long, and I kind of cut it and reoriented it so it would hang down the front. And it has this lovely sort of curly Q here. Used a little bow and this beautiful cameo I got in a D-stash as well from a lady in England. And I just love cameos, and I thought it looked so pretty on there. And then the crochet here in the corner is from the edge of the napkin, so I just left that because I liked it. And this beautiful pleated trim here was from the D-stash, and I think it must have been off of like a child's dress or something. But I just thought it looked so pretty, so I glued that to the underside of the top of the napkin. And then I used a little bulb pin with this cute little pink dress and a little sparkly button right there. And that's pretty much the front. And then as I layered on the bridal appliques, you can see that here. And then the back I covered with just some lace from my stash. And then I pieced together some more of the appliques here. Just different, a slight pink one, and then two different ones, little pink bow, and then this doily piece with another little pink applique here. And on the side here, you can see the crochet from the napkin as well. It's only on the one side though. So the back was kind of plain, but I like it. I think it turned out really pretty. So that is that. And then when you open it up, here you can see the top with that beautiful pleated fabric. It must be from a child's dress, I think. And then this is from my stash. I just put that on there to finish it off, and it's got some silver sequins on it. It's bridal trim. And then the pocket that you can see here, you can see along the top there's more of that little crochet trim. There's something peeking out, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I used this really pretty vintage eyelet lace across the top, another pink bow, and then bridal appliques I cut up going down the sides here. And then I used these tiny little flowers here, resin flowers, one there, and then one over here as well. So that's that. And then here along the bottom, I cut another beaded trim. It's got some bugle beads and some tiny little pearls. Hopefully you can see that. And then some pink rhinestone bling. And then on the inside, we didn't have to do this, but I thought that I would because I thought I need to put something inside of it, so I did. And I made a couple of tags using similar colors. And I just used some Prima paper from my stash that have these pretty pink hearts on it. And then I decorated the tags with some satin ribbon and some lace bits. This is a very vintage tiny little collar here. And some of the images from the paper line. More bridal appliques. Some pink lace that my friend Amy sent me. And here on this one, I've got the same lace that's on the back of the clutch. And then I fussy cut out this little teacup here. And the butterfly I fussy cut. And then bridal appliques. And then just little pieces of Shabby Chic fabric and some trim along the bottom there. And there's some pink lace there too. So those are my two tags that I made to go inside of my Shabby Chic clutch. And I'll just show you one more time how pretty. I love pink and white together. It's super pretty. And this was a fun challenge for me because I really enjoy making Shabby Chic clutches. They're one of my favorite things to do. So let me open this up again. There you can see the inside, and then the two little tags just go inside. It's a really good size, and napkins are great for using to make these clutches up. So I hope that you'll give it a try. And remember, all the links to the other ladies that are in the hop are in the description box below. So please go over and see all of their gorgeous projects, because I'm sure they're beautiful. They're all very talented ladies. So hop on over to their channels next, and I will see you later with another video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.